A Miss by Oksana Poberezhnaya. And when the Victoria Station clock face looks at me and asks, "What will you miss about Manchester?" I'll say, the seasonal decor, misty pink in spring and fiercely purple in autumn. A spacious kimono that spreads its sleeves like a glider over Whitworth Street. A pair of chopsticks always in my bag, because I can't split the wooden ones in equal half and half. The sound of songs that I will understand one day. I will. The watery, nice, strong, quite strong, unbearably bitter tea that I dilute with tap water only to have a miniature girl swipe the teapot and replenish it. The wooden red and the lacquered black. The divisions of squares, the connections of ginger tentacles at the center, the first dip of tempura into a crumbless sauce, gulping the noodles while they're warm, and noodles are never hot. That is a mystery of universe. The wasabi gamble, and the last mouthful of the sticky sea tape, the elusive rice, and the welcome avocado. The chopsticks reluctantly make their way into my bag. We must do this again soon. We must definitely do this again.